For a global air traffic management company like Indra, it is essential to lead the digital transformation of the sector and to be involved in the main SESAR projects to boost innovation and bring new technologies to the market. This is why we are committed to the most advanced systems such as iTech that will manage 1/3 of the air traffic in Europe, helping the digital European sky to become a reality. These new technologies also make possible to deliver next-generation digital towers, U-space platforms, or space-based CNS solutions. All these examples, among others, will enable us to lead air traffic to the future.